Hello mga guys and welcome dito sa ating channel. So muli tayo nang babalik, no? Para siyempre maglaro, no? So laro-laro muna tayo ngayon ng Farm 3XP Accessible. So
Place phone manager.
So matagal-tagal din tayo hindi nakapag games ng Farm 3XP Accessible. So ngayon ay pasukin na natin. So
Phone, new, multi messenger.
medyo matagal-tagal din tayo hindi nakapag-upload sa games na to. So matagal ko rin hindi naparinig kung ilan na ba yung aking coins. So naipon ko to sa mga reward araw-araw, no? So kung naalala nyo, may tinuro ako na kapag tinap mo yung aso, apat na tap, so lalabas yung 50 coins.
Keep page enter 8 hot code page Google Gmail. Finizy.
Okay.
Phasandina files. Phasandina. Talkback must be activated to play. Use the volume key shortcut to turn talkback on or off. Use this game commands that talkback must be activated to play. Use the volume key shortcut to turn talkback on or off. Use this shortcut the first time you turn on and configure your device.
Okay.
Game commands and gestures using talkback. Go to the next item on the screen, right. Back to the previous item on the screen, on the left. To confirm, tap twice. To close the tutorial, pull down with 2 fingers or click to go back. Done. Game done. Button.
So,
Double tap to continue.
I-done na lang natin para mag-continue. Okay.
Phasandina. You have shot. Here you have 3,387 coins.
So yun po yung ating coins na naipon, no? So i-open muna natin yung reward.
Farm disc donate credit to kettle corral. Duck planting duck kettle corral. Mic lock trophy. Lock purpose in memory of Pluto 0103 2023. Even though my dog has passed away, his love and memory remain with me and all those who knew him. His white and brown paw will always be fondly remembered with nostalgia, and his loving spirit will always be an important part of those whom he touched during his life.
So double tap natin to. Apat na double tap.
Love you, Plutos.
Okay.
Love you, Plutos. Love you, Plutos.
So isa na lang.
Love you, Plutos. You won 50 coins.
So you won 50 coins.
Don't quit farm. You have 3,437 coins.
So yun po yung ating coins. So magputli muna tayo ng isang anong tawag dito? Pagtatanim. So dito naman dito muna tayo sa tanim.
Fish dam. Be hot fish dam. Get 1 duck plant chicken coop. Shop. Here you have 3,004 shop chicken coop. Get 8 shop. Here you have farm description button. You shop chicken coop. Get 80 coins to planting. Become a super farmer.
Okay.
Phasandine. You have planting 1. You need 20 coin. Planting 1. Plant a new seed.
Okay.
Use a tomato seed 0 coins. You planted a tomato seed.
So ito yung free na wala kang bayad.
Planting 1. It's time for you to water the seed. Planting. You need 20 coins to planting. You need water. Sun. Back to the sun. Water bucket.
Okay.
Water bucket is selected.
So selected nila natin yung water bucket.
Sun. Back. You have planting 1. It's time for you to water the seed. Planting 1. Your seed has been watered.
Okay.
Planting 1. Your seed needs sun.
Okay.
Back to sun. Watered sun. Sun is selected. Back to you have planting 1. Your seed needs sun. Planting 1. Your little plant received sunlight. Planting 1. Tomato is ready for harvest. We'll tap to harvest.
So double tap natin yon.
Had a good tomato crop.
Okay.
You have planting 1. Tomato is ready for harvest. Choose tomato seed 0 coins.
So, marami pa tayo i-unlock dito.
Planted a tomato. You have 3. Back to. You have planting. You need 20 coins to unlock a new planting 1. Tomato is planted.
Okay.
Planting 1. It's time for you to water the seed. You need water. Sun. Back to the sun. Water bucket. Water bucket is selected. Sun. Back. You have planting 1. It's time for you to water the seed. You have planting 1. Your seed has been watered. Planting 1. Your seed needs sun. You have back to the farm. Sun. Sun is selected. Back to. You have planting 1. Your seed needs sun. You have planting 1. Your little plant received sunlight. Planting 1. Tomato is ready for harvest. Double tap to. You have planting 1. Tomato is ready for harvest. You had a good tomato crop. You have back to the farm. You have planting 1. Plant a new seed. You need plant. You have 3,437 coin. Planting 1. Plant a new seed. Choose a tomato seed 0 coins. Planted a tomato seed. You have planting 1. Tomato is planted. Planting 1. It's time for you to water the seed. You have back sun. Water bucket. Water bucket.
Okay.
Water bucket. Sun. Back. You have planting 1. It's time for you to water the seed. You have planting 1. Your seed has been watered. Planting 1. Your seed needs sun. You have back to the farm. Sun. Sun is selected. Back to the. You have planting 1. Your seed needs sun. Planting 1. Your little plant received sunlight. Planting 1. Tomato is ready for harvest. Double tap to. You have planting 1. Tomato is ready for. You had a good tomato crop. You back to the farm. Button. Phase and Inha.
So, tingnan natin kung ilan na ba yung ating product.
Have 3,000 shop. You have shop. Here you can sell your products. Have 3 chicken coop shop. Here you can sell your products. You have 3 products.
So, 3 pa lang, no? So, magtatanim tayo ulit.
Chicken coop. Plant chicken coop planting. Become a super farmer. Phase and Inha. You have planting. You need 20 coins to unlock it. Planting 1. Plant a new seed.
So, next videos natin about dito. So, try nating unlock tong.
You need 20 coins to plant. You need 40 coins to unlock a new planting. You need 60 coins to unlock a new planting. Water bucket.
So, kung unlock natin tong tatlo, yung 20, 40, at yung 60, mas mabilis tayong magkapagtanim. Hindi. Mabilis tayong magkapag-produce ng product na free, no? So, marami pang pwedeng itanim dito, no? Hindi lang, tingnan natin.
You planting 1. Plant a new seed.
So, hindi lang
Tomato seed 0 coins.
Hindi lang tomato. So, ito pa.
Pumpkin seed tomato. Pumpkin seed 3 coins. Eggplant seed 4 coins. Carrot seed 5. Eggplant carrot seed 5. Choose a seed to grow.
So, yung tatlo, yung eggplant, pumpkin, anong tawag dito, at yung carrot.
Made eggplant carrot seed 5.
So, may bayad lahat. So, dito tayo sa
Tomato seed 0 coins.
dito
You
tayo
planted a
sa
tomato seed.
dito tayo sa free at walang bayad.
Planting 1. Tomato is planted. Planting 1. It's time for you to water the seed.
Okay.
You have back side water bucket. You need 6 water bucket. Water bucket is side water side back. You have 3 planting 1. It's time for you to water the seed. You have planting 1. Your seed has been watered.
So, medyo maulan dito sa amin ngayon.
Planting 1. Your seed needs sun.
Okay.
Have back sun. Sun is select back. You have planting 1. Your seed needs sun. You have planting 1. Your little plant received sunlight. Planting 1. Tomato is ready for harvest.
Okay.
Double tapped. You have planting 1. Tomato is ready for. You had a good tomato crop. You have back to the farm. Button. Phase and Inha.
Ibinta na lang natin to kasi
Have 3,437 coins.
maulan na, no?
Shop chicken coop shop. Here you can sell your products. You have 4 products.
Okay.
Phase and Inha. You have back to the farm. You have 4 tomatoes. Each tomato is worth 3 coins. Sell all tomatoes.
Okay.
You received 12 coins. Back you have Back to the farm. But phase and you have 3,449 coins.
So, yun po yung ating
Quit donation credit tutorial and setup button. Quit don't quit game. But farmed quit game. Button. At list. Choices of the trail.
So, yun po yung ating coins, no? So, next time baka i-unlock na natin yung 3 slot para mas mabilis tayong makapag-produce ng products sa game. So, kung mahilig kayo sa game na to, ilalagay ko na lang mamaya sa comment section yung mismong link para sa mga hindi pa nakapaglaro. So, ma-try na tong farming game na to, no? At yun lang guys, no? At
Roxy Clock Community.
yun lang guys, and magandang araw na lang sa inyong lahat kasi muulan na dito, no? So, yun lang po mga guys.
English Tagalog Translator.
So, abangan nyo lang yung ating
English ED Eloquence TTS.
iba pang mga gaming content at yung mga tutorial content. So, yun lang po mga guys.